just how people have donated and sent food through Swiggy, Zomato. People have also sent a lot of medicines for the students, for people who are coming to attend protests. And right now, behind me, in the medical camp which was set up on 21st July, people are coming in huge numbers. Somebody is complaining of stomach problem or some injury or something, but doctors are here to treat them at the protest site.
मैं तो बस यही इंजेक्शन वगैरह लेके आए हैं और दर्द सूजन की दवा, जैसे दर्द की दवा, इंजेक्शन, टीटी की इंजेक्शन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो पुलिस प्रशासन है और जो बिना बैच की पुलिस आई हुई है, वो जो बच्चों को मारी है, यहाँ पे कई बच्चों को अभी भी मारा जा रहा है, तो उनको घाव हुए हैं। तो मैंने वहाँ से देखा वीडियो, तो जब मैं चली तो मैं काफ़ी दवाइयाँ लेके आई हूँ और सारे हमारे बाहर से डॉक्टर आ रहे हैं, वो सब लेके आ रहे हैं, और जो मेडिकल एजेंसी वाले हैं वो सब भेज रहे हैं, जो नहीं आ पा रहे हैं वो भी भेज रहे हैं।
So I wouldn't say I'm currently working with anyone. I've completed my MBBS and I have come here just as a support person, as a volunteer. So we have a volunteer group over here of doctors who are trying to help all of the population कि हम जितनी मदद कर पाएं उतनी हम कर सकें. So yeah, that's why how we are here.
Since when are you here?
So I came on 15-16 for a brief moment. थोड़े घंटे हमने देख के वापस चले गए. हम 20 तारीख से फिर यहाँ हैं.
What prompted you to set this medical camp here or to join the medical camp?
So one of the founders जिन्होंने हमारा कैंप सेटअप करा था वो सोनम वांगचुक जी के वाइटल्स चेकअप करने के लिए. They have been there from the start. And उसके अलावा we all people congregated over time. I myself, for example, came on 16th and then on 20th and then every day I've been here.
So on 20th, did students come here after the violence for any kind of treatment?
Yes, definitely. A lot of suturing was done. A lot of emergency cases were there. बहुत सारे लोगों के खून से लथपथ सर हमने उसको पैकेज करके emergency भेजे हैं.
Mostly people what they're struggling with is Lati charges. That's what is the most complaint over there, because the number of people who are hurt on 20th is a lot, and they are the ones who are regularly receiving dressings as well. Then we have small bruises, wounds by people tripping over, getting hit, starting arguments, cough, cold, people struggling from all the screaming and allergic reactions, but that's kind of it. That's what we're struggling with most. But we have a lot of basic supplies as well. We are handing out wet wipes, tissue papers, napkins, sanitary napkins, toilet cleaners, a lot of things out here. I was not here on 20th. The reels and the videos we saw on 20th was what motivated a lot of us to fly in and help. I have taken indefinite leave and I have come and I am hoping to sort this out and then leave.
Basic दवाइयाँ हमारे पास सारी हैं. हमारे पास आपके small sutures, dressing change, wound compression, अगर कुछ सर में चोट आई है या पैर में चोट आई है, हम splinting कर सकते हैं. हम फ्रैक्चर ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते, हम ओपन लार्ज इंजरी ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते, हम कोई भी रेस्पिरेटरी इशू या फिर कार्डियक अरेस्ट जैसे इशू को ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आरंट अवेलेबल ओवर हियर बिकॉज स्टेराइल एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है. अ लॉट ऑफ रेन, अ लॉट ऑफ डर्ट एक्सेट्रा इज देयर, बट अदर देन दैट ऑल द बेसिक एलिमेंट्स, ऑल द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स. ऑल्सो जस्ट राइट बिहाइंड यू इज एन एम्बुलेंस and there are 3 of them in the whole area and there are completely on the move every moment.
Because I'm not here because of the political agendas over here. I am here to help the people who are protesting, and that's all we are here for. We are a totally apolitical stance right now.
So people have overwhelmingly donated us stuff, so much so that we have like a overwhelming inventory. And in terms of the treatments, all the basic ailments from your stomach problems to headaches to body pains to muscle tears, we manage. Smaller things like corns, छाले पड़ जाते हैं जो चलने की वजह से, उन सब का ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है.